strange crane things over there. So here's an entrance to the prehistoric experience. The entrance to the prehistoric experience. Let's go see what that's about. Everybody's taking pictures of the cranes. Our first dinosaurs are pterosaur, but first automatronic ones, or what do you call it? Right here, velociraptors. I like how they put a pack of them. Alright, so it's like a circular path with a bunch of dinosaurs, giant fungus in the middle. Yeah, no, we go this way, right? Oh, that's the exit. Maybe we go this way? Yeah, I guess we'll go this way. Oh yeah, it's like a giant prehistoric plant or something. Hey, it's moving.
That's just the chopper from Masters of Zombies.
Yeah. Oh, look at that in the middle.
That wasn't me.
Ankylosaurus, right? Ankylosaurus?
Yeah.
Ankylosaurus, right? That's what they've been saying lately. Mom's can't say Ankylosaurus.
That's how the British say it.
Really?
Ankylosaurus.
So they've been saying in the movies, huh? Ooh, that's like in Jurassic Park movie, right? It moves. Dilophosaurus. That is bizarre.
This what it looks like. I'll put a picture of it.
Oh, good. Those are like coming out of crates, right? I'm afraid of this one. It's big. Whoa, that's kind of scary. He's head over here. Baryonyx. People on the Jeep. Pretty large size. Let's see what's over there. Pachycephalosaurus, I guess, and Oviraptor. That's the last one right there. What is that one? I never heard of this one. Amargasaurus. Amargasaurus. Must be a new one. I don't know about. Or an unknown one. To me, I guess, at least. Brachiosaurus. They're pretty big.